In this video, we're going to demonstrate the process of order checkout, including where you would apply a coupon code, where you would apply special instructions such as a period of time when to deliver a product during the day, or gate or access information, or what have you, and specifying different ship-to addresses if you want to have product drop shipped. So on the home page here, we actually are logged into our account. We have some products pre-added to our cart. I will select the cart and finish, so I will place my order. And my bill to information is already pre-populated. As I scroll down, my default shipping information is pre-populated, but as you can see, there is an option to ship to a new address. By doing so, the pre-populated data will be refreshed. You would complete these fields. Anything with a red asterisk is indeed a required field, and it's as simple as that as far as drop shipping. If you'd rather change your mind and go back to a saved address, you can do so. You can choose your shipping method for your particular area, or if you're local to our warehouse, you can select pickup. Scroll down a little further, you can add your order's PO number. You can add your specific comments and shipping notes for this particular order. For example, like I said, if it is going to a specific location, and say you would like a morning delivery, if a customer is going to be around, or if you're going to be around on site, if there's access information for a gated community, any number of different notes, we'll do our best to accommodate that. This is the area where you would enter that, and your requested delivery date, a summary of your cart items, and then just above the confirm or submit my order button, you would enter any applicable coupon code that you may have for an ongoing promotion, if there is one at the time.